Welcome. Good morning, KG class. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Now you have to take out your introductory English book. Come on page number 80. First, you have to mention day. What day is today? Wednesday. What day is today? Wednesday. After that, you have to mention date. And today is 16th of December 2020. What date is today? 16th of December 2020. So on our page number 80, we are going to learn something new today. Let's see what is this. Adjectives. Adjectives. So today we are going to learn about adjectives. Let's see what are these, then I'll explain you. Adjectives or the describing words. So adjectives are the describing words. What are adjectives? Adjectives are the describing words. ठीक है, adjectives ऐसे words होते हैं जिनकी मदद से हम कुछ explain कर सकते हैं, describe कर सकते हैं किसी के भी बारे में. Let's see. These descriptive words give information about size. These descriptive words give information about size, shape, age, color, feelings, texture. So these descriptive words give information about size, shape, age, colors, feelings, texture, personality, etc, etc. Okay, etc stands for etc. So these descriptive words give information about size, shape, age, color, feeling, texture, personality, etc. of people, place, and things. So these descriptive words give information about size, shape, age, colors, feelings, textures, personality, etc. of people, place, and things. So adjectives are describing words. Okay, these words give us information about the size, shape, age, color, feeling, texture, personality of people, place and things. तो adjectives क्या होते हैं? We describe things. Okay, adjectives की मदद से हम चीज़ों को describe कर सकते हैं. Like size, किसी के साइज़ को हम डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं. ये ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जिनकी मदद से हम साइज, शेप, एज, कलर, फीलिंग, टेक्सचर और पर्सनालिटी को हम डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. ठीक है, इन वर्ड्स की मदद से हम बता सकते हैं. हियर आर सम एग्जाम्पल्स. आफ्टर go through with these examples you come to know very well about adjectives, what these are. Okay, इन एग्जाम्पल्स के बाद आपको सही से पता चल जाएगा कि एडजेक्टिव्स क्या होते हैं. ओके क्लास, नाउ कम टू द फर्स्ट वन. व्हाट इज दिस? फ्लावर. डू यू लाइक फ्लावर्स? यस, आई नो यू लाइक इट. आर दे प्रिटी or not? Yes, they are. The flower is she? Pretty. The flower is pretty. Pretty है ना, खूबसूरत है ना. The flower is pretty. Now come to the next. Who is she? She's a teacher. The teacher is happy today. The teacher is happy today. You can see that she is happy. Hushana. She feels happy. Now come to the next. A cat. The cat is white. The cat is white. The color of the cat is white. Now come to the next. Oh, it's a dog. Her dog is spotty. Her dog is spotty. You can see that some spots are there. So her dog is spotty. Now come to the next. What is this? This is a bedroom. This bedroom is big. So this bedroom is big. You can see that it's a big. So class, you can see that the word pretty, happy, white, spotty and big, these are all adjectives. Okay, these are all adjectives as they are giving information about something or someone. ऐसे ही है ना, like pretty give us information that about a flower, that this flower is pretty. Happy give us information that teacher is happy. White give us information that the color of the cat is white. Spotty, we come to know that the dog is spotty, it has some spots. And big, we come to know that the room is big. तो क्या है कि इन वर्ड्स की मदद से हमें पता चल रहा है कि इनके कलर्स कैसे हैं, ये हैप्पी हैं या बिग हैं, स्मॉल हैं. ठीक है, हमें इसके साइज़, शेप, एज, कलर्स, फीलिंग्स ऐसे समझ आ रहा है ना इन वर्ड्स के मदद से. अगर हम कहते कि दिस इज़ द फ्लावर, हमें कैसे पता चलता कि ये प्रिटी है. अगर हम कहते कि शी इज़ अ टीचर, हमें कैसे पता चलता कि ये हैप्पी है. हमने हैप्पी का वर्ड यूज़ किया तो हमें पता चला ना द टीचर इज़ हैप्पी टुडे. Isn't it? Now come to the page number 81. Here is an exercise. After solving this, you come to know very well about adjectives. Okay, class? First, you have to mention day and date, as you know that what is today. So come to the exercise adjectives. Read the story and circle all the adjectives. So you can see that here a story is given to us. We have to read it and circle the adjectives. Now come to the first line. I have a fat cat. I have a fat cat. So the cat is fat. We come to know that with the help of this word. So you have to circle fat. And come to the next. It is white and fluffy. So it is white and fluffy. White is the color. We come to know that. It is white and fluffy. Its texture is fluffy. So these two are adjectives. It plays with a red ball. So the color of the ball is red. So we have to circle red. It has 3 little kittens. So little, we come to know that the kittens are little. It sleeps in a neat basket. So it sleeps in a neat basket. Neat, the basket is neat. So neat is a adjective. I like my cat use because I like my cat because it is beautiful. Beautiful. I like my cat because it is beautiful. So beautiful is an adjective. So class, here you can see that we find the adjectives and encircle it. Now come to the next. Write any 5 encircled adjectives. So class, you have to find 5 adjectives from these encircle words and write those in this block. Okay, write with neat and clean handwriting. Okay, and must follow the writing pattern. Come to the next. Read, write and learn the given tricky word. So you can see that here some words are given to us. Eat, lit, little, d, down, little, down. These two are tricky words. You have to write and read and learn these words. Okay, write these with your neat and clean handwriting. So class, this is enough for today. See you very soon. Allah Hafiz.